Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So gold did climb and climb higher. Not unexpected since my last video. Obviously in the last video we were around 1844 I think. And we did in the end climb higher. Mentioned to you that I would expect the price to move in this latest structure and wave count to the top of the trend channel, and that this would be around the 1867 level. Now we did reach here 1870 and then started to break down. However, this is too early to say if the top is in now. We certainly have enough waves now. We also have 5 waves here in the 5th wave. But these waves can extend higher. But at the moment it makes the impression that this is just an ending diagonal. Or no, actually a leading diagonal here, as you can see, in 5 waves. That would be a leading diagonal of the 5-wave move, which possibly has started. So at the moment, gold for me looks like that it won't get another low, not at least below the $1,600 level. That would be perfect. That would be perfectly in line also with the long-term expectation. But let's see, the real decision will happen here. The problem is always when you get a diagonal, any kind of diagonal, you need proof in the following correction. I will have to adjust now slightly the target area for this, for the retracement. Not much though, because we moved up a tiny bit more since the last video. So the support for the wave 2 at the moment with the current high would be expected to be in the region between 1745 and 1672, between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement. So I would expect it to go down there. Yeah, what is the best indication that the move down is starting? Well, a break out of the trend channel would be the first real signal you can get that the downtrend has started. I mean, there's lots of signals. You can wait for a huge or for some kind of an engulfing red candle on the daily chart would be helpful, or on the 4-hour chart. Even that's not a guarantee it will work out, but if you see a red engulfing candle that goes down to channel support, that would be at least a signal that we might break it. If we then break it, that will be an additional signal, and then a move below, and I now have to go back to the 1-hour chart. A move below one key support level will be probably the best signal we get, the highest confidence signal. That would be a drop below the 1792 level, the previous wave 4 low. Going below that level would give a lot of downside pressure to the chart and most likely push it down in this ABC scenario. What I can imagine is what happens is we're going to come down in this A wave either to the channel support, then move up, maybe even, and you need to be prepared for that, we can sometimes get these overshooting B waves. A B wave can overextend, yeah. It is not the primary expectation though. So something like A, B, and then C, but then the B wave would be very short. What I think is more likely is to get the wave A down, B wave up, probably a retest of the channel from below, and then a C wave down, finish off this wave 2. And that's basically what we're expecting at the moment. Yeah. How high will this extend further? Honestly, I don't know. These can extend further up. Next resistance, I mean, I don't expect it to do so, but if it does, what would be the next resistance level? Either way, I would expect us to be really in the last, steps of this wave 1. Yeah. Here the wave X high would be the next resistance at 1883. If we get above that level, well, then it would take us to 2000 roughly, but I don't think that will happen in the wave 1. Yeah, that would rather happen in the wave 3 then. So yeah, I'm definitely observing this, but there is not much more to add. Certainly interesting. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.